How to fix due to local regulations, this content is restricted on X. If you've ever tried to view a post or video on X and hit the message, due to local regulations, this content is restricted in your country, you're not alone. This is one of the most frustrating things to run into, and today I'm going to walk you through exactly what it means and the legitimate steps you can take to deal with it. So, what's actually happening? X, formerly Twitter, is required by law in certain countries to restrict specific content for users in those regions. It's not a glitch, it's a compliance decision made by the platform, but there are a few things you can do about it. Step 1. Confirm your account's country setting. Go to your X account, tap Settings and Support, then Settings and Privacy, then your account, and look for account information. Check what country is listed. If it's incorrect, update it to your actual location. Sometimes this alone resolves the issue. Step 2. Check if the content is restricted on your specific account type. Some content on X is only visible to users who are age verified or have adjusted their content settings. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Safety, then Content you see, and make sure your preferences are set appropriately for your age and region. Step 3. Try accessing X through a different browser or clear your cache and cookies. Occasionally, location data stored in your browser causes incorrect restriction flags. Clearing it forces X to redetect your region cleanly. Step 4. If you believe the restriction is an error, use X's in-app support. Go to Help Center, search for content restrictions, and submit a report. X does review these cases, especially if your location is being misidentified. Here's your pro tip. Make sure your device's system language and region settings match your actual location. X and many platforms use your device's regional settings as a secondary signal. A mismatch between your device region and your account region can sometimes trigger false restrictions. And that's it. To recap, you checked your account country settings, adjusted your content visibility preferences, cleared your browser data, and learned how to report the issue if it persists. All of these are fully within X's terms of service and completely legitimate steps. If this helped you out, give this video a like and subscribe so you never miss a fix like this. And drop a comment below which step solved it for you. I'd love to know.